Hey, welcome to Manitowoc Ice. Frequently asked questions. I'm Roger Canaday, one of the technical service associates here. We're in the Manitowoc Training Center here in Wisconsin. I want to go over float orientation with you on our Neo machines. On this unit, the red wire is the harvest float. Black wire, also the ice thickness adjustment, is the front float. 3 positions to adjust the water level, which is going to adjust our thickness of our ice being produced. These get confused a little bit. These are removable and act closed in the down position. When they go up, they're in the open position. Also on the display on the control board, both floats down or closed, up is open, but the light is on rise. I'm going to make sure that people understand that. It gets confusing at times. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe, and stay tuned for further information.